Welcome to Artium Carnatic, where music meets soul. Your home for divine melodies, rich traditions, and soulful explorations. Today, we unravel the mesmerizing beauty of the classic Telugu film song Kunte Chooputho, a song that effortlessly weaves romance and longing through the mystical Raaga Reethigowla. Kunte Chooputho, nee kunte chooputho, na manasu mellaga challaga దోచావే చిన్ని నవ్వుతో ఒక చిలిపి నవ్వుతో ఏదో మాయ చేసి అంతలోనే మౌన వేళనే మాట రాని మౌనం మనసే తెలిపే ఎదచాటు మాటుగానం కనులే కలిపే కుంటే చూపుతో నీ కుంటే చూపుతో నా మనసు మెల్లగా చల్లగా దోచావే చిన్ని నవ్వుతో ఒక చిలిపి నవ్వుతో ఏదో మాయ చేసి అంతలోనే మౌన మేళనే. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and let the soft flowing curves of Reethigowla take you into a dreamlike musical space. Let us now see the magic of Reethigowla. Sagariga mani dhamani nisa sani dhamagama pamagarisa. Reethigowla is a raga that glows like moonlight, bringing an ethereal flowing grace to any composition. Kunte Chooputho song using Reethigowla, giving it a hypnotic charm filled with longing and passion. How does Reethigowla feel? It pulls the heartstrings, perfect for expressions of love, devotion and nostalgia. Its movements are like gentle waves moving seamlessly between swaras. It holds a dreamy, slightly mysterious aura, making it unforgettable. Imagine stepping into an ancient temple courtyard under the full moon. The air is filled with the scent of jasmine, and in the distance, a veena plays the soft strains of Reethigowla. As the melody waves through the night, it feels like time slows down, like the universe itself is humming along. This is the power of music. Music is not just sound, it is a doorway to another world, a bridge between the past and the future, between the soul and the divine. At Artium Carnatic, we believe that every note holds a story and every raga is a universe waiting to be explored. Join us on this incredible journey. If you believe that music is more than just entertainment, if you feel it, breathe it and dream it, then Artium Carnatic is for you. Subscribe for more raga explorations. Join our fun exercises and musical challenges. Let's keep the magic of Carnatic music alive together. Sing, explore, and let the melodies carry you beyond time.